Let's learn how to cook Indian food. Biryani.
Biryani, a fragrant and flavorful rice dish, is a culinary masterpiece that has enthralled taste buds for generations. Originating from the Indian subcontinent, this beloved dish is a celebration of spices, aromatic rice, and tender meats or vegetables. Join us on a culinary journey as we demystify the art of cooking biryani, providing you with step-by-step instructions to recreate this iconic dish in your own kitchen. Gather the following ingredients for a classic biryani: 1. Basmati rice, 2. Chicken, mutton, or vegetables, 3. Yogurt, 4. Onions, 5. Tomatoes, 6. Ginger garlic paste, 7. Biryani masala, 8. Ghee or cooking oil, 9. Fresh coriander and mint leaves, 10. Saffron strands, optional. Start by washing and soaking the basmati rice for about 30 minutes. This helps achieve the perfect, non-sticky texture when the rice is cooked. Marinate the chosen meat or vegetables in a mixture of yogurt, biryani masala, and ginger garlic paste. Allow the marination to infuse the flavors for at least 1 to 2 hours, or preferably overnight for a richer taste. Boil the soaked rice until it's 70 to 80% cooked. Drain the water and set aside. In a separate pan, sauté sliced onions until golden brown. Add tomatoes and cook until they form a thick gravy. In a deep, heavy-bottomed pan, layer the partially cooked rice. Add a layer of marinated meat or vegetables. Sprinkle fried onions, fresh coriander, and mint leaves. Repeat the layering process, finishing with a layer of rice on top. Place a tight-fitting lid on the pan, sealing it with dough or a cloth. Cook on low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. This dum cooking allows the flavors to meld, and the rice to absorb the aromatic essence of the dish. Once cooked, gently fluff the biryani with a fork. Garnish with fried onions, saffron-infused milk, optional, and fresh herbs. Serve hot with raita or a side salad. There you have it, a tantalizing pot of homemade biryani, ready to be savored and shared. Let the aroma of spices transport you to the heart of India as you master the art of cooking this culinary classic.